How to delete Instagram account permanently. So first, go to your Instagram account and then just tap on your profile here at the bottom right. Next is just tap on Account Center. Now, here you just need to tap on Personal Details. Then tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now tap on Deactivation or Deletion. And then just choose your Instagram account that you want to delete. So I'm just going to choose this. And then tap on Delete Account Permanently. Then tap on Continue. Now here you can just tap on Continue again. And then just choose the reason why you're going to delete. And then I'll just choose something else and then tap on Continue. And then scroll down and then tap on Continue again. Then once you're here, you just need to type in your password and then tap on Continue again, and then your Instagram account will be deleted. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.